Virgo, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is the divine fruit. You guys look good, you taste good, you're planted in the right soil. You judge the fruits by its roots, and you're planted in prosperity, positivity, abundance, grace, gratitude. And these are things that are going to make sure your fruits continue to blossom and you guys continue to excel and evolve to the next level. As I work to improve and free myself, I strengthen my foundations. I strengthen my foundations by my intellect being light, my heart being warm, and my soul being my strength. I'm nurtured by the divine sun, and the fruit I bear reflects his inner light. You're on the right path. You're doing all the right things. Continue to water yourself and your plants, your gifts, the way you've done, and watch how you continue to bloom. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.